What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers. Right now it a go on to Christmas, you know, my people. You understand? See, you look at dog them, you look at goat them, you look at cow, pig and you fall them. You have to really look out for them. You understand? Because they look at thief them out there, you know. And especially some of them look at one they will live close to you. Look out for them. Look at thief in one them me attack who love thief people things. Look out for them. See? Because right about now, my viewers and subscribers, some set of videos sent to me now, my viewers and subscribers. With one set of young thief who are managing to move people good somewhere in Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. But luckily, these goat crooks was captured, my viewers and subscribers. And the thing about it is, only thing when you catch a thief, you know, you just want to hold upon one and him start squeal everything. And this is what they done, my people. So they managed to hold upon one. And you see the one with them hold upon, my viewers and subscribers, him start squeal everything. So I'm wanting to do, my people, check out the video. You understand when them hold upon it and listen how it's squealing. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.
Yeah. Call the name them.
One morning.
Yeah.
And for you, you know, for you over here for have a gold pen, man, him not deal.
Yeah.
You feed. And I feed you, I'm not there for certain thing, because my name done a call up already, me get shot already. Feed you, look for me, a bad man, me a plant the tech way.
Take over the goat.
Yeah, if I'm a plant the tech way goat. I'm say, brother, me know you deal with me if you plant the tech way a man goat, and I come over there for. Because him see me over there couple times, and me go over there.
Brother, me see you.
CJ over hill.
CJ over hill.
We drive one white Pro Box more wild, man.
Fuck out Pro Box.
Where your mother name?
Me no know where your mother name.
Yes, brother. Call the next name where you say now. Tall brown one, you know. Where name? Alias. Give me alias.
Foodie.
CJ calling that the fuzzy.
Yes, me Allah. Right side of me, they live, you know.
CJ calling.
Right side of me, they live. And then take away my big boy, you know.
When daddy have a V30.
A V30 Nissan.
Yeah.
And they get one little son named SJ.
Yeah.
Brother, I'm my friend.
CJ there.
That the man I'm my friend. Look how me attack on my blood I run cold. I'm my friend. I'm my friend. Alright. And then he beg me every time I'm a game. That me I tell him. Ready now?
Woman over here tell VJ for anytime VJ ready, VJ if you just get one car and back up the car in a yard and take anything you want, take her and him not deal.
Yeah. That a woman up my pen.
Yeah.
Alright.
And him not deal.
Alright.
You feel for granny feather.
With man, you see me in work, you can be with him in the house up there, so I'm run come down because I the woman over here, so I think I'm going to take my baby mother with man up there, so I have to pit in our house. We go on Sunday morning because up at St. Thomas.
What is happening in St. Thomas?
About the car. Man,
what happened about that car? I'll know, you know something wrong. I'll know you don't call me and say, Buckley, you know something.
I rub them on. There's a clean up, man. You want to rent the commercial and go talk, man.
Go see.
Go
team.
Yeah, man. I ain't go.
And who ready to carry him?
We don't know if I am.
But who? They know you're
involved in there, you know.
How you involved?
Yeah, man. The owner for the car talk.
Like to wash it more time.
And that's why the owner know him, so that's why I rent the car now. And the owner know him, and you know. And he went to know give a man. He must go with him.
I'll give you them.
Alright. Listen, father. Hear what me I say. Tell me, we have the first video we record already. What you say again? Who are who? Listen what we are saying now. Listen what we are saying. Brother, me don't know you from Adams, you know. Listen now. Bro, me don't know you from Adams, you know. Tell me what you say.
Where Foodie there?
Me don't know where
Foodie, I want to ride back with that fish. Foodie?
Yeah.
They want to ride back with
No,
fish.
no, sir. That the man in the ride a bike.
Which Foodie that?
Angie.
Well, everybody with them name call, we are hold them.
Yes,
we are hold
brother.
them.
Go to the station. We go.
We are going to Foodie. Show which part Foodie. Don't tell you what I'm coming to.
Some of viewers and subscribers. You hear it? Eh? Squealing and talking this and talking that. Yes. That's how the crook them work, you know. That's how the goat crooks them work, my viewers and subscribers. They not like work. And that's why I tell us even the fall them with thief off of the roost. Them thief. You understand? Because though them want to sell everything, them a think about to do this and how to impress that, and what them want to wear the time and the time them people. You understand? So you have to look out for every little thing. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, but you see what them do, my people? Police manage to hold them, residents manage to hold them, my people, and get out everything out of them. So everyone who involved in it, you know, yeah man, them a go get knocked, them a go get catch. So me have some more videos, my viewers and subscribers, with the whole thing, pan the scene with the whole thing, my people. I'm wanting to just check them out, you understand? And you will see all these crooks, they been talking and them a let out everything, them confused. But all me can tell my viewers and subscribers, this is Jamaica and it a come on to Christmas, so look out for the whole of them. So just check out them clip of my people, big up on yourself, more love, more blessings and more respect, and thanks for the love, thanks for the support, the like, the share and every comment. So don't know say one team in my people, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Attack them, NEWLINK! NEWLINK! Attack, attack, attack! Check them out my people, blessings.
You know, only would have something better for you. So you when you talk about you want to live in the story, but there's something better for you. Where man good? No good. So when you are alive, okay sir. Alright. So we say when you are alive. Yeah. Big lie. You never have no plan on the plan. Okay sir. Voila. Hey, listen. Hey. Listen, don't. Hey, go for where back? Back this back. No, I tell you. Go down day 9 points. Day 9 points.
Why you can't weekend? You can't eat it.
Where you mean?
I'm not sitting on
I make that food. Where am I? So when you say you want yes, you want to ask him. You don't know what it's doing. You don't know what it's doing. You know. We did it nice and big one. Yes, am I big about yes. So that's when we did it. Birthday night, same night. So all of the drink and eat it. So bingo me there. Me and him there bingo. Stand up same. I mean and him there. Right, that's our bingo. Which part we there play bingo. So when them go on the shed, when bingo come and on the shed, they don't know where it is. So you must say all of them don't know where it is. So when I say, when I take you want to I didn't come in and I came and come say I got car everybody did this. So you must say everybody like oh this people. First of all, you want to somebody who did this, somebody who did it. You want to people this must say come on him tell you that man like this big justice too. Is the man him tell you that the man know nothing. So you have them attack
so you know say Kedin tell me this morning say I should have 10 I go there and take it. Did you know that?
No, how about Betty me there? Betty
so you know say them not plan to Tief go there.
Miss lady talk, the lady say actually you don't know them a plan for you. And that woman talk. I make sure to tell my granny I show me no video. But me know say something like that will come. So them a plan, you know. Them a plan, but me a plan bigger than them. They don't know, you know. Them a plan, but me a plan bigger than them long time. And that me I tell her. Cause CJ me I tell her the truth. If me ain't find you, me I come and hold her. Me I tell her. Cause I guess what go on now, no? The man I tell you everything what go on. And me not watch her. Then I must when me come by juice down on it and over for your yard me see him sit down. Now over there in sit down. Over your yard where bomb brother after bingo you know. After bingo that night there you know. Brother, just cool mama. You say after bingo night. Bro, you see bingo after bingo night and the man carry box come and that shit. I hold on did that drink, you know. Bro, everything good, bro.
I know me.
Who's the alright?
Watch your hand about it.
Mind your hand.
Watch your hand on the piece of metal.
Mind your hand.
Watch your in front of your yard.
Buckley, watch your hand on the metal. Watch your hand on this.
Because the person will say, alright, I'll go a fool to go to him, I'm going to take all again.
What a come? Me pray I have a piece of Holy Ghost in the world.
Hey, Buckley, let me say if you observe. Come here. Let me say if you observe. From your beating. Tell me what you see.
Nothing. The boys thief and criminal. In that feel him.
Who are your daddy?
We have yard, we are alive.
When coming up.